and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be taking a look at the new e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadows that they recently released. So if you're interested in seeing some swatches and my thoughts on this new product, stay tuned. So e.l.f. just recently released some new liquid glitter eyeshadows in 8 different colors. And here are the 8 shades here that I have. And let me give you a little bit of information on these eyeshadows as it is stated on their website. It says, this gel-based formula is long-lasting, quick-drying, and 100% eye-catching. Get an amped-up eye look with one swipe glitter coverage. Formulated for comfortable wear and minimal fallout, this opaque liquid eyeshadow delivers high impact, multi-dimensional glitters and pearls in a quick drying gel base, just in time for the holiday season. And as I said, this glitter eyeshadow comes in 8 shades. So I picked up all 8 shades to give them a try so I can swatch them for you guys. So let me go ahead and open these packages real quick and then we'll go ahead and get to swatching. And after we're done swatching, I'll take one, apply it on my eyes and let you know what it feels like and my overall thoughts. Okay guys, so I just took them all out of their packages and I promise you these are the cutest little things that I have ever seen. Look at this. How cute is that? The bottle is so little and so cutely designed. I think those are absolutely adorable. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch them and I'm going to start with the first one, which is Disco Queen. And this is what Disco Queen looks like inside of the bottle. So let me go ahead and take this out, swatch it real quick. Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty. That's Disco Queen. And it's a silver, basically. It looks like a disco ball, I guess. Now, I will say that this one, it doesn't look quite opaque. It looks a little sheer, but I guess maybe if you put on a couple of layers, it'll give it more opacity. Okay. The next one we have is Flirty Birdie. So, and this is like a, it looks like a rose gold or bronzy color to me. This is really, really pretty and definitely went on better than the first one. That's Flirty Birdie. Look at that color. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. And look at that glitter. See that shine as I move my hand? On both of them, actually. Okay. So the next one we have is Bling Bling. And Bling Bling is this silvery color here as well. It looks very similar to me as the first one, as Disco Queen. Actually, one is a little duller. The Bling Bling is a little shinier. You can see the two side by side. This is Bling Bling and this is Disco Queen. But let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay, so here's Bling Bling. Now they look very similar. Like I said, Bling Bling is a little more shiny, I guess, than Disco Queen. But both of those, as you can see, didn't swatch quite opaque like the one in the center here did. You can kind of see through it. It looks more sheer to me. But like I said, maybe if you build it up in layers, let it dry and then put on another layer, it may become more opaque. But they're still very pretty and be great as an eyeshadow topper. Great. Okay, so the next color we have here is Black Magic, and that's what that looks like. It's a pretty black with silver throughout. That's a very pretty color. See how it swatches. Oh, that's nice. It's nice. It's a little sheer when I pull it back, but that's Black Magic. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous and would look lovely, lovely on top of the eyelid. Beautiful. Yes, I'm loving all of these. I love things that glitter, and these are just so pretty to me. As you can see, I keep moving my hand around there. Okay, on to number 5, which is Copper Pop. And this is what Copper Pop looks like. It's very pretty, very pretty. Oh, this one is lovely. This is how Copper Pop looks on the hand. It did go on nice and opaque, and that glitter is just everything. That color is stunning, stunning. Okay, the next one we have is Dirty Martini. It looks like a deep, deep goldish color to me. Almost a mixture of like a gold and a greenish color. But you can see the glitter in there. Let's see what Dirty Martini looks like. Oh, it is. It's like a greenish gold color. It's pretty though, and it's swatched nicely. That's Dirty Martini. Look at that. Yes. Love it, love it, love it. That is very pretty. They're all very pretty. The next color we have is 24 karat gold, and that's what 24 karat gold looks like. It's a bright glittery gold. Let's go ahead and put this on. I'm actually going to swatch this on the top of my hand. That's pretty. That's pretty as well. Okay. And there you have right here 24 karat gold. Look at that. That's very pretty as well. Yes. These colors are lovely. Lovely. And for only $5, I think that's a great deal. You can never have too much glitter in your collection. And the last color we have to swatch is Ocean Eyes, and this is a deep, deep blue. Look at that. That color is very nice, very stunning. Let's see if it swatches as good as it looks in the bottle. It's very nice as well. Okay, and there you have Ocean Eyes. Look at that. All right. Guys, that's all 8 colors there swatched on my hand. And again, these colors are beautiful, and they sell for $5 each on e.l.f.'s website. Okay, since I've showed you all of the colors swatched on my hand, I do want to go ahead and try one on my eyes so I can tell you what it feels like and my overall thoughts on this product. So, pull my mirror up here. Let's see which one do I want to try on. You know what? Why not put one on each eye? That's exactly what I'm going to do since I can't make a decision. So I'm going to put Flirty Birdie on this eye and Copper Pop on this eye. And let's see how they perform. Okay guys, so I have both colors on. This is Flirty Birdie and this is Copper Pop. Now Copper Pop still feels a little bit wet. They do go on kind of wet and they feel like they would need a little bit of time to dry down. And now I have either hooded or deep set eyes. I don't know which one they are, but I know that whenever I put on eyeshadow, it always transfers from my lid above my crease. So I'm sure this is going to transfer. I'm trying to kind of, not blink and stuff too much, but it's probably going to happen. But let me give you guys a close-up view of what they look like. Copper Pop, Flirty Birdie. I think that they are both really, really nice and they look really good on top of the eyeshadow that I have on. Like I said, they feel good. They're a little wet. This one has definitely dried down a bit and it feels a lot more comfortable, but this one still feels a little wet, but not as wet as it did when I first put it on. So it takes them a little bit of time to dry down fully. But other than that, I think that they're beautiful. And like I said, for $5, I think it's a really good deal. And again, they come in 8 different colors, $5 a piece. I bought all of them, so for all 8, it cost me $40, which I don't think is a bad deal to have all of these little glitters in your collection. I know I'll be wearing one of these for New Year's Eve. I'm not sure which one yet, but I'm definitely going to put a little bit of sparkle on top of these eyelids for New Year's Eve. Anyway, guys, that's all that I have. Again, I really do like this product and I definitely think it's worth the $5. If you're into glitter and like all things shiny, I would definitely recommend picking them up from your local e.l.f. store or elf.com. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought of these swatches and what you think of the product overall and if you'll be picking up some of these glitters. And also, I'll go ahead and leave a link to e.l.f.'s website down below so that if you're interested in getting them, you can pick them up. Anyway, guys, that's all that I have for today. Thank you so much for sharing a part of your day with me as always. And before you go, if you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.